Scented by the eastern sea breezes. A sun-washed medley of Spanish and American influences. Puerto Rico, where old world elegance and modern Caribbean meet to create the most exciting destination in the Caribbean. Puerto Rico is located on the continent of North America, in between the Caribbean Sea and the North Atlantic Ocean, east of the Dominican Republic and west of the Virgin Islands. 5 centuries ago, San Juan was an impenetrable fortified city. Today, it is the capital of Puerto Rico. Old San Juan is the cultural hub of Puerto Rico and the most culturally rich destination in the Caribbean. The colorful century-old buildings, monuments, food, and music you can experience in Old San Juan capture the essence of Puerto Rican culture and spice for life. I love to frolic and get down with the locals, and the Puerto Ricans make you feel right at home. Puerto Rico and its people are the heart and soul of the Caribbean. After a long, hot day of wandering the streets of Old Town, a piragua sounded good. A frozen snow cone coated with your favorite flavored sugary syrup. Its full name is the Castillo de San Felipe del Morro, but it is better known as El Morro. Perched on the northwesternmost point of Old San Juan, this daunting citadel must have been an intimidating sight to enemy ships. Take your time to explore its ingenious architecture. El Morro is made up of 6 staggered levels, incorporating dungeons, barracks, passageways, and storerooms. El Morro, which was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983, is Puerto Rico's most picturesque military structure. Look who came out to say hi. Iguanas are native to Central and South America, but were introduced to Puerto Rico in the 1970s through the pet trade. Some of these pets were released into the wild and have now become a full-blown pest control issue, mostly due to the fact that they have no natural predator on the island. El Morro is huge. In fact, there are 2 sections of the fortress, the east section and the west section. Be prepared to spend a whole day exploring each side of the fortress. And bring your best walking shoes. Your feet will thank you later. And now it's time to head west of Old San Juan, across the bay of El Morro. Let's take a tour of the Bacardi rum factory. Here is your chance to see how the famous rum is produced. And while patiently waiting for your tour to start, the bartender serves up a mojito for you. Now let's see how he makes that mojito. You'll need 50 milliliters of Bacardi rum, 25 milliliters of lime juice, 12 mint leaves, 2 teaspoons of extra fine sugar, and 25 milliliters of soda water. And boom, you have the perfect mojito. This is a delightful tour that will educate and entertain you even if you don't drink. And at the end of the tour, you get to mix up your own mojito. Enjoy! At the end of the day, find some great Puerto Rican music to dance the night away. The next day, we head east towards the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. rainforest system, El Yunque National Forest. This national treasure is an excellent destination if you want to be immersed in nature. And we were ready to hike our way to the top of this mountain.
Here we are, hiking in the rainforest. Say hi, baby.
El Yunque is not a very big place, but has 24 miles of hiking trails. Today turned out to be a wet day, but the rain cools down the air to make it a comfortable hike. It gets hot in this rainforest.
The frogs are out, the birds are out. It's a gorgeous day.
It takes about an hour to reach the top of the mountain, and once you're there, you are treated to one of the most fantastic views. Unfortunately, a giant cloud was obstructing our view today, but normally you can see the beautiful North Beaches. It was time to get wet after the hike, and the perfect place for a quick, refreshing swim was La Mina Falls. It was another 45-minute hike to the falls, but the cool water made it all so rewarding. We had a wonderful day exploring El Yunque rainforest. You can easily spend many days enjoying the sights, and now it is time to head to the beaches. But that story would be told for another time.
And you told us, you warned us about
Bye, y'all.
this.